How to view private videos on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can view private videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you are basically logged into the YouTube application and then you want to view private videos, now it depends upon whether you are trying to talk about your own private videos that you published on your channel, or maybe are you talking about a private video that someone else has published. Now in case you're talking about your own, what you have to do is you have to actually download the YouTube Studio application and view the private video by simply going to your YouTube Studio. I'm sure pretty much you know how to do that. But let's say in another scenario you're talking about someone else's private video. In that case, the only thing that you can do is you need to have the link for that particular video. So if the owner of that video has not provided with you with the link to view that video, you will not be able to view that private video unless they have also allowed it to you. And as long as they don't make it unlisted or public, you will not be able to view it. That's simply how it goes. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.